Blessed be everyone. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing a guided meditation with Hecate. And through this meditation, you will be introduced and come face to face with your magical self. That's who you truly are underneath all of the self-doubt and the lack of self-confidence, especially when it comes to your witchcraft path. But before we do the meditation, my name is Sandra. I'm the author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. If you want to know more about Wicca, witchcraft, shadow work, tarot, magic, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice, but you're just confused by all of the information out there and you just can't seem to get a regular practice going because you're not quite sure what to do and how to keep going and keep learning, I have a free video. It's called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. There's a link in the description field below this video for how you can access that one. So I'm going to take you on a journey with Hecate. So in this video, make sure that you aren't driving or using any heavy machinery because this will put you into a slight trance state. So make sure you're comfortable where you're not going to be disturbed and you can relax. So either sitting comfortably in a chair or lying down comfortably. The meditation doesn't go that long, but it will take you on a journey where you come face to face with your magical self. And the whole idea is for Hecate to help you discover who you truly are. That deep down inside, you are a magical being, a divine magical being. And she will take you on that journey to help you discover that. Let me know in the comments field what you experience when you've done this meditation. And I would recommend that you do this meditation often, particularly if you find that when you do meet your magical self, you're not very clear or you feel uncomfortable in some way, like you feel scared to actually be your magical self, or there's doubt there in the way. Certainly let me know in the comments field how you go and repeat this meditation as often as you'd like. If you want to start your witchcraft practice and learn magic with me and have a lot more access to guided meditations like this one, the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy is my 12-month course on Wicca and witchcraft to help you connect to your magical self, to connect to the goddess and god. Hecate is a part of that as well. And to connect to your true potential, walking your witchcraft path that gives you meaning in life. It helps give you a purpose in life, and you can do this on a daily basis. So check out the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. There's a link in the description field below this video for how you can access that. Now find yourself a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down gently, closing your eyes and taking a deep breath in. Slowly letting it out. And take another deep breath in. And slowly letting it out. And taking a deep breath in. And slowly letting it out. Feeling your body relaxing more and more with each breath. And just noticing the sensations of the air entering your lungs, filling you with calm, and then leaving your body, taking away any tension or stress. And just imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you, bringing a deep sense of peace and relaxation to every part of your body. With each breath, this light grows stronger, enveloping you in a protective, nurturing glow. And just let this light wash over you, soothing your mind and body, and preparing you for the journey ahead. So focus on your feet, and as you breathe in, just feel them relaxing completely. We'll now move up to your legs, allowing them to become heavy and relaxed. And continue this process, moving up through your body, your hips, up through your stomach, up through your chest, your arms, your neck, and finally your head. With each breath, let go of any remaining tension. You are now deeply relaxed, calm, and ready to embark on a journey with the goddess Hecate and to discover your true magical self. And as you rest in this peaceful place, you find yourself standing in the center of a grand circular city. The architecture is ancient, yet timeless. The streets have mystical symbols etched into the buildings, and the air is filled with a sense of mystery and magic. And in front of you, a pathway stretches out, inviting you to follow. So you begin to walk along the pathway, feeling a sense of anticipation and wonder. The city around you is bustling with energy. You feel calm and centered as you move forward. The pathway leads you to a three-way crossroads. And here at this pivotal point stands the goddess Hecate, holding her torches high. Hecate, with her powerful and enigmatic presence, gestures for you to come closer. Her eyes are deep and knowing, filled with ancient wisdom. And she welcomes you and offers to guide you on a journey to explore the path of your deepest longing, the path that will reveal your true magical self, the self you have always known yourself to be. And you look at the three paths before you. Each one seems to call you in a different way. You take a moment to consider how you feel about each option. The path on the left feels mysterious and unknown. The path in the middle radiates with a sense of balance and harmony, and the path on the right feels bold and exhilarating. Which path draws you the most? Trust your intuition and choose the path that resonates with your deepest desires. And as you make your choice, Hecate leads the way, her torches illuminating the path ahead. You follow her, feeling the energy of the path you have chosen enveloping you. The journey is filled with sights and sounds that speak to your soul, each step bringing you closer to your magical self. Eventually you arrive at a grand door. Hecate turns to you and asks if you truly want to learn about your empowered magical self. You feel the sincerity of her question and know that your answer must come from the heart. And if you're ready, Affirm your desire to learn and grow. If not, it's okay to turn back the way that you came. If you have affirmed that you wish to proceed, Hecate hands you a key. The key feels warm and powerful in your hand, and you know it is the key to unlocking your true potential. You place the key in the lock and turn it, opening the door to a hidden realm. And as the door swings open, you step into a world filled with all of the things you love and cherish. This place is vibrant and alive, a reflection of your deepest joys and passions. In the center of this realm, you see your magical self, the version of you that is fully empowered and aligned with your true nature. And you take a moment to observe this self. What do they look like? How do they carry themselves? What is the expression on their face? Notice the clothing they wear and any symbols or items they carry that signify their magical abilities. Do they have any guides with them? Any companion animals? And then listen to your magical self as they speak. What do they sound like? What words of wisdom or encouragement do they offer you? Feel the energy of their presence and how it resonates with your own. And as you take in these details, just reflect on how it feels to see this version of yourself. What emotions arise as you witness your fully empowered magical self? And embrace these feelings and let them flow through you. And as you're feeling these energies flowing through you, you suddenly realize that you are looking into a mirror. The magical self you see is you. This realization washes over you, and you understand that you have always had this power within you. You are your magical self. How does it feel to recognize that this magical self is truly you? What does it mean for your life and your path forward? Just take a moment to absorb this profound understanding. And taking this empowered and enlightened feeling, you turn back toward the door. Hecate is there, and she's waiting to guide you back. With her torches lighting the way, you retrace your steps, carrying the wisdom and power of your magical self with you, coming back from whence you came as the true you. And you arrive back at the three-way crossroads, where Hecate bids you farewell, reminding you that she is always with you, a guide and guardian on your journey, So you continue along the pathway back to the center of the circular city, feeling a deep sense of peace and empowerment. You're returning as a different person. And what does that feel like as you walk through the city streets? How different does it feel? This feeling you can take with you from here on in, as it's time to gently return to the present moment. Just begin by bringing your awareness back to your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. Wiggling your fingers and toes, bringing sensation back into your body. And just take a deep breath in again. And as you exhale, feel yourself becoming more alert and awake. Slowly start to stretch your arms and legs, feeling energy returning to your body. And when you are ready, gently opening your eyes, taking a moment to adjust to the light. And remember the journey you took with Hecate, the wisdom you gained and the empowered magical self you discovered. Know that this magical self is always with you, guiding you and giving you strength. And carry this knowledge with you as you continue your day, feeling empowered and connected to your true magical nature. And remember that if you do want to learn Wicca with me and connect with your witchcraft practices as a spiritual path, giving your life more meaning and purpose, then join us at the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. There's more details in the description field below. And if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe. I am Sandra, and I will see you on the next video. Blessed be.